those of you who are in the peripheries, kamong nani na sa igad-igad, tindog kamo, make some noise, wave your hands!
Bay, katong wala ka pa rin, gusto mo eh. Wala, kalit. Ba't?
Jakarta, that's the capital of Indonesia, right?
Yes, 11th country of Southern Asia Pacific region. We have mentioned all the 10 countries already.
Yeah, I wonder who it is.
Yeah.
It's still missing on the list.
And now, the last country that we have. But before, we would like to mention the union delegations from our country, the Philippines. We'd like to request our delegates from the aisle to please give way. We're going to have a parade of colors through this. At least you vacate the portion of the carpet area from here.
Okay, so just reiterating that, we are requesting all of the delegates here in the center aisle to please give way to our colors. Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation. Okay, thank you so much. So I can see that the alumni church is once again filled with handsome and beautiful individuals from all across Asia.
Without having to welcome our children's ministry.
Put your hands! Conference! I think we should stand up once again. Southwestern Philippine Union Conference!
Southwestern, please rise! And those of you who are in the peripheries, kamong nani na sa igad-igad, tindog kamo, make some noise, wave your hands! We would like to request everyone to please rise so we can see God's blessings and guidance through the prayer of Pastor Wendell. Mayong buntag, karatong-tanan. Para sa mga Bisaya. Para sa mga dili Bisaya. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Para sa mga delegates from 10 other countries of Southern, we have done the same to the Lord our God. Amen. At this point, I wish to offer my thanks